Hello everyone, now let us discuss about how to search CPT code. In the current session, we will be discussing a question from temporary pacemaker. First of all, let us see the question. A patient had a temporary transvenous pacemaker system inserted with electrodes placed in the right atrial and ventricular chambers. How should you report the service? Before going into the CPT index, let us know what is pacemaker with lead. A pacemaker system with lead includes a pulse generator containing electronics, a battery and one or more leads. And a lead consists of one or more electrodes as well as a conductor wires, insulation and a fixation mechanism. And the pulse generators are placed in a subcutaneous pocket. The pulse generators are placed in a subcutaneous pocket created in either a subclavicular site or just above the abdominal muscles below the rib cage. And the leads may be inserted through a vein, which is nothing but transvenous, or they may be placed on the surface of the heart, which is nothing but epicardium. And the epicardial location of leads requires a thoracotomy for insertion. Now let us see what is single chamber pacemaker and dual chamber pacemaker system. A single chamber pacemaker system with lead includes a pulse generator and one electrode inserted in either the atrium or ventricle. That is single chamber pacemaker system with lead. Here, one electrode is inserted either in the atrium or ventricle. The next is dual chamber pacemaker system with two leads. It includes a pulse generator and one lead placed in the right atrium and one lead inserted in the right ventricle. One lead inserted in the right atrium and one lead inserted in the right ventricle. That is nothing but dual, because both leads are getting inserted one each in the atrium and the ventricle. That is dual chamber pacemaker system. Here one lead is placed in the right atrium and one lead is inserted in the right ventricle. Now let us go to the CPT index. Under pacemaker you can find insertion. Under insertion you need to go for electrodes. Here there are various set of CPTs. 33202, 33203, 33210, 211, 216, 217, 33224 and 33225. Now if you go for 33210 and 211, here insertion or replacement of temporary transvenous pacemaker is seen. For the insertion of temporary pacemaker, transvenous pacemaker, these two are the CPTs. 33210 and 33211. If you see the description of 33210, it indicates insertion or replacement of temporary transvenous single chamber cardiac electrode or pacemaker catheter. Here it is a single chamber. That is, lead is either placed in atrium or ventricle. But in our question, each lead is placed one in atrium and one in ventricle. So you need to quote dual chamber. The next CPT is 33211. It indicates insertion or replacement of temporary transvenous dual chamber pacing electrodes. So the correct option is 33211. Now let us see the question once again. A patient had a temporary transvenous pacemaker system inserted with electrodes placed in the right atria and ventricular chambers. So here you need to go for dual chamber. How should you report the service? The correct option is 33211, option A. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for further videos on medical coding and CPC training.